We are teaching safety of various kinds to children who are entering kindergarten and first grade. And we are at Forest Hill CLC this week. We teach them about fire safety, bus safety, bike, playground, health issues, poisons, dog safety, stranger danger, every kind of safety you can imagine. We try to keep them safe because we don't want children to be struck by vehicles or hurt in any way on their way to school or in their neighborhoods. And so we feel that this is a very important program, and that's why we do it. We love those kinds of stories.
Traffic light, very good. What do the colors on the traffic light? We got a crossing guard here. What do we do at the stop sign? Stop! And then what? Yeah, you look left, right, then left. And if it's safe, you go. Looks like it's safe to me, so I'm going to go ahead and go. You guys make sure you stop, okay? All right. You got the train tracks up here. Make sure you stop and look both ways, okay? Watch the train tracks, guys. Get up the train tracks.
Come on, I'm catching you!
Railroad, good job. What is this one? It's a people crossing.
And when she wants you to stop, she'll have this flag and hold it out right across the walkway. What does that mean? Stop! Stop! That means stop. When Madeline says it's safe to cross the walkway, she'll hold the flag out, make sure all traffic is stopped, and then she'll have you go across. Okay, you ready to practice that? Yeah! All right, here we go. Stay in the crosswalk.
Crosswalk are those yellow lines on either side of you.
Good job, guys. Way to walk. Way to stay between the lines. Are you ready to go to your next test? Yeah! Good job, yellow team! Woohoo! Here we go.
I'm a grown-up, so I'm here, okay? So I want to make sure that the cars are safe and that you guys are safe. That's my most important job, is to make sure you're safe, okay? I want to go in the street, but you guys stay here, and I'm going to blow my whistle. And then when I say across, you see these two big white lines? You walk right in between them, right to the other side, okay? Now if you drop your book or your shoes untied, should you stop in the middle of the street and pick it up or stop to tie your shoe? No.
We don't have to stay in a line. We can come together. Look at how they're stopping. It's like magic. Katie, watch where you're walking now.
All the way to the side.
You're coming.
Very good.
Look at that. It's like magic.
Oh, use it.
Look at him put his blinkers on. Did everybody notice that? They know about safety.
Let's practice what we learned. How many steps away from the curb should we stand? 3. Okay, so everybody takes 3 steps back that way. 1, 2, 3. Big steps backwards. You're gonna high five Miss Stephanie for your fare today, and then you're going to walk and find a seat. High five Miss Stephanie. Find a seat.
More things over here.
Everyone, thank you for coming out to our graduation this year. It's wonderful to see so many parents come out. It's been a great week for the kids and for everyone here, all of the volunteers, and on behalf of myself, I'm Sergeant Brent Botnick with the Akron Police Department. The Police Department, the City of Akron, thank you for letting us have your kids all week. They were all a pleasure. I think we learned an awful lot. We covered a lot of topics. We talked about fire safety, dealing with dogs, We also practice riding our bikes and some of the signage, right? And bike safety. Who liked the bike course that we had set up? That's usually a big hit. We also talked about some gun safety. And kids, what do we do if we see a gun? Don't touch, right? Tell a grown-up, I'm hearing them all. Run away. And who do we tell? We tell a grown-up. So these kids did well. So thank you. A big thank you. There's a lot of people who coordinated this to bring this all together. We'll get to all those later. But I think one of the biggest thank you needs to go to the parents. All of you. Not only for getting your kids. Yes, thank you. For getting your kids here every morning, which can be a big feat, especially in summer when we're all waiting to sleep in. But also for your support. Just you guys being here is huge. So thank you very much. Throughout the week, while we're covering these topics, we not only get hands-on and actually go out and practice the skills that we're learning, but we also learn through song, right? We all remember when we were kids, we got to sing songs. So I believe, kids, do we have a song that we want to sing today? Yeah? All right. So with that, we'll go ahead and turn it over. And I believe there's 4 verses to the song. On the playground, I watch her run. On the playground, I watch her run. I don't push or shout. I treat others with love. On the playground, I watch her run. I wear my helmet when I'm riding. I wear my helmet when I'm riding. I'll be safe and sound if I fall to the ground. I'll wear my helmet when I'm riding. I wash my hands to stay healthy and clean. I wash my hands to stay healthy and clean. Germs get washed away so I can go out and play. I wash my hands to stay healthy and clean. I look both ways. I look both ways when I cross the street. I look both ways when I cross the street. I look both left and right. Make sure no cars inside. I look both ways when I cross the street. Hey!
Don't miss any stories about the schools you love. Like our page on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, and subscribe to our channel on YouTube for more APS All Access.